How to open Barclays bank account online. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first open your preferred browser and search for Barclays Bank. Then scroll down and tap on that Barclays Bank US. Then after it opens, scroll down and simply tap on settings. Then tap on open an account. Then select account ownership. Here I did single account. Then tap next. Then fill up all your personal information like first name, last name, social security number, date of birth, email address, primary phone number, permanent address, city, state, zip code, occupation, and next you have to do is fill up the login information. For that, you have to enter your username, password, then create and confirm your password and add security questions. Then, if you want to enroll two-factor authentication, simply tap on yes, if not, no. Then, simply tap on continue and your account will be created. So, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.